Can what we eat affect how we feel? After all, food is the one thing that we change about our bodies every day, isn't it? Young people with lived experience of anxiety have told us that they have already tried to influence how they feel with their diet. But the results have been mixed, and they're asking for science to help with this. Research has shown that our diet affects the composition and abundance of bacteria in our gut. This is called the gut microbiome. We also know that the gut microbiome communicates with our brain via the so-called gut-brain axis. Communication along this axis is bidirectional, and it's important to know that it is only finalized when we transition into adulthood. This means that we might be able to influence how our brain develops and works. So if bacteria influence how our brain works, then we should be able to use our diet to target and manipulate our microbiome to change how we think and feel. We can change our gut microbiome by eating food that contains a lot of beneficial bacteria, called probiotics, such as yogurt or kimchi. Or we can eat food that bacteria like, such as fiber, also called prebiotics. Both pre and probiotics are available as supplements. In this project, we looked at the scientific evidence that pre and probiotics can help young people with their anxiety. We also shared our results with young people to hear their opinions about this research and to learn what we need to figure out next and what would be a good way of going about it. We found that the scientific evidence is really strong for research with animals, which is much easier to control than humans. For the work with young people, the results were less clear, and we found that little work has looked directly at anxiety in this age group. So both the scientists and the young people agree that there's an important gap in our understanding that needs to be addressed. But the young people also pointed out that the research needs to see the bigger picture, which includes lifestyle aspects such as diet, sleep and exercise, but also other factors such as the influence of the menstrual cycle. Many young people struggle with anxiety, and if we can find a way to help via the gut microbiome and by improving our diet, then this would allow us to achieve a much needed breakthrough.